Lessons from birds, a philosophy of life. Before the world wakes up. Before the noise begins, there is silence. High above the ground, perched between sky and earth, birds wait. They are not anxious. They are not rushing. They understand something we often forget. Timing matters. Perhaps life is not about moving faster. Perhaps it is about knowing when to fly. Lesson 1. Leaving the nest. Every bird begins in a nest, a place of comfort, of safety. A place where everything is familiar. But no bird was born to stay there forever. There comes a moment when staying becomes more dangerous than leaving. The first flight is uncertain. The wings are untested, the ground feels far away. Yet, growth has never lived inside comfort. It lives on the edge of fear. Lesson 2. Falling is part of flying. Birds do not master flight instantly. They fall, they stumble, they fail. But they do not call it failure. They call it learning. Each fall strengthens the wings. Each mistake sharpens instinct in nature. Falling is not the opposite of flying. IT is part of IT. Lesson 3. Discipline beats motivation. Birds do not wait to feel inspired. They fly because they must. They search for food even when the sky is dark. They build nests even when storms are coming. Discipline is what keeps them alive. Motivation fades. Instinct remains. And in life, those who survive are not the most talented, but the most consistent. Lesson for adapting to change. When seasons change, birds do not complain. They migrate. They do not argue with winter. They move away from it. Adaptation is not weakness. It is intelligence. Those who refuse to move eventually freeze. Lesson 5. Knowing when to fly alone. Some birds fly in flocks that others soar alone. Neither is wrong. But there are moments in life when the journey must be walked alone. An eagle does not need applause. It needs altitude. Solitude is not loneliness. IT is focus. Lesson 6. Stop comparing wings. A sparrow will never fly like an eagle, and it doesn't try to. Comparison does not exist in nature, only purpose. The moment you stop comparing, you start becoming. Birds do not control the wind. They learn how to ride it. They trust something greater than themselves. Maybe life is the same. You don't need to see the entire path. You only need the courage to leap, because wings are useless unless you are willing to fly.